Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, click on Files section. Select one of those apps, tap on one of your files here, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources. You can always tap on Audio and Video filters at the top. Now just hold one of your files that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. If you are struggling to add a video file via Files section, go into Gallery instead, tap on Folders, and hold your video over here. Then try to add it by tapping on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!